So you decide to sell your home for sale by owner, and you think that it's going to be a great idea, huh? You don't have to deal with any realtors, you don't have to pay any commission fees or any realtor fees or anything like that. You get to sell by yourself in a hot market and keep it moving, right? You might want to rethink that. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you might want to really reconsider, or maybe like really deeply think about if you want to actually sell your home by yourself. But before we get into it, make sure you like, you subscribe, and you share to anyone that you know that is actually looking to sell their house right now. The first thing you need to know when you're looking to sell your home for sale by owner is that on average, most homes that are sold for sale by owner, they sell for 26% less than what they would actually sell for on the actual market. That means if you're working with a realtor, you're actually probably gonna make more money with that realtor, even after paying all the commissions and everything, than you would with actually trying to sell your home for sale by owner. The second problem that you'll probably run into is the buyer pool. So even if you want to sell your home on Zillow or let's say Trulia, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, a lot of times most buyers that are actually looking to purchase a home are actually looking on the MLS. So that means they're working with other realtors to look for a home to actually purchase for full price. So if you're posting your house on Facebook, Craigslist, stuff like that, then they might not actually be willing to pay the full price that you want them to pay. And that means your buyer pool is a lot smaller. And finally, I know that when you're looking to sell your home for sale by owner, you're thinking, hey, I'm gonna save a lot of money because I'm not gonna pay those realtor fees, but on the back end, you're actually gonna have to pay maybe a little bit more because of the marketing that you're gonna have to do for yourself. And also, if the market's not as hot, you might have to stage the house for yourself as well. So that's more money coming out of your own pocket. Now, I don't say this to deter you from trying to sell your home for sale by owner, just letting you know that there are certain situations and certain problems that come with trying to sell your home by yourself. Now, if you do want to work with a realtor, we have a community of realtors that we work with that are vetted and they know what they're doing and they sell houses all the time. Reach out to us, we can give you their information and help you get your home sold a lot faster. But if you just haven't made up in your mind that, hey, I don't want to work with a realtor at all, you can sell directly to us. You don't have to deal with trying to go on Facebook or Craigslist or anything like that to try to sell by yourself. You can sell directly to us and we can try to get you the price that you need. So if you are looking to work with us, go to our website, www.nowpropertyinvest.com.